The Boy Who Dared to Learn, Part 1. The Village of Silence. Once upon a time, in a quiet village named Kanpurpur, there lived a boy named Arav. He was 17 years old. His father was a farmer, and his mother worked at home. Life was simple, but Arav had a big dream. He wanted to speak English like people in big cities. Every time Arav saw tourists visit his village, he wanted to talk to them. But he could only smile. He felt shy. He did not know English, and he was scared to make mistakes. One day, a group of foreigners came to the village. They were looking for the temple. Arav tried to help, but he could not speak the words. A man said, "Temple," and pointed around. Arav only smiled and pointed with his finger. After they left, Arav sat under a tree and thought, "Why am I not learning English? I want to speak. I want to understand." Moral: every dream begins with a desire. If you feel it in your heart, you can start today. Part 2. The First Step. That night, Arav went home and told his father, "I want to learn English." His father smiled. "But there is no English school here. I will learn from books," Arav said. The next day, Arav went to the village library. It was small, with old books, but he found a book titled English for Beginners. He opened the book. The first sentence said, "My name is." He said aloud, "My name is Arav." He smiled. It felt good. He said it again, "My name is Arav." From that day, Arav made a rule: learn 5 new words every day and speak 1 English sentence out loud. He also started writing a small diary in English. Today is sunny. I eat rice. I go to school. Moral: learning starts with small steps. 1 sentence a day can change your life. Part 3. The Mistake. One day, Arav saw a foreign couple in the village again. This time, he was ready. He walked up and said, "Hello, my name Arav. I help you." They smiled. "Hi, Arav. Thank you. Can you tell us where the river is?" Arav pointed. "That way, river is left go, no go left, walk 10 minutes. The couple laughed kindly and said, "Thank you so much." Arav went back home, but he was sad. "I made a mistake," he said. "My grammar is wrong." His sister said, "But they understood you." Arav smiled. "Yes, they understood. I will keep learning." That day, he wrote in his diary, "It is okay to make mistakes. I will not stop." Moral: mistakes are a part of learning. Don't fear them. Welcome them. Part 4. Arav's Routine. Arav made a study routine. Morning, read 5 English words, speak a new sentence. Afternoon, watch 1 English video with subtitles. Write 2 English sentences. Night, talk to himself in the mirror. Review words from the morning. He made flashcards with words like apple, book, friend. He used every chance to use English. When buying vegetables, he said, "How much is this?" The seller said, 5 rupees. Arav said, "Thank you." People laughed at him sometimes, but he smiled. "I am learning," he would say. Moral: practice every day, even in small ways. Use the language around you. Part 5. The English Club. Arav had a big idea. He made a small group of friends and called it the English Club. They met under a tree every Sunday. Each member had to say 5 sentences in English. Some said, "My name is Sunita. I have 1 brother. I love mangoes." Arav brought his books and taught them new words. He also said, "Let's act in English." So they performed small plays, going to the market, talking to a teacher, asking for help. They laughed a lot. They learned fast. Arav became the best in the village at speaking English. But he stayed humble. Moral: teach others what you learn. Learning grows when shared. Part 6. The Big Opportunity. One day, a teacher from the city came to the village. He heard about the English club. He met Arav and said, "You are doing a great job. Would you like to come to our city school for a speech contest?" Arav was nervous. "But my English is not perfect." The teacher said, "It does not need to be. Just speak from your heart." Arav agreed. For the next 10 days, he practiced his speech. "Hello everyone, I am Arav. I am from a small village. I could not speak English, but I tried. I read books. I spoke to people. I made mistakes. I learned. You can do it too. Thank you." At the contest, Arav stood in front of 200 people. His hands shook, but he took a deep breath and began. People clapped. Some even stood up. He won second prize, but more than the prize, he won confidence. Moral: believe in yourself. Even the shyest person can speak up with courage. Part 7. Arav the Teacher. After the contest, the village made Arav the English helper for the school. He started a daily class for kids and adults. He taught common words, simple sentences, confidence. He also gave advice. Talk to yourself in English. Use a mirror. Record your voice. Learn from your mistakes. Keep a diary. Soon, villagers were speaking English while buying vegetables, talking to tourists, and even writing letters. One old man said, "Arav, you gave us a new language." Arav smiled. "No, I just showed you the door. You walk through it." Moral: the best learners become teachers. Part 8. The final message. 5 years later, Arav started a YouTube channel to help other English learners. He recorded videos like Learn English Through Stories, Daily 5-Minute English, English for Villagers. His videos were simple, slow, and full of smiles. He became famous. But he always said, "I am still learning." Dear friend, you want to learn English? Good. Don't be afraid. Start with small steps. Learn 5 words today. Say 1 sentence out loud. Make mistakes. It's okay. Just don't stop. One day you will speak confidently. Like me. Moral: English is not a subject. It is a bridge, a tool, a path to your dreams.